So is this your not so good wheel?
I mean, I like both of my wheels just for totally different reasons. This wheel is a blast.
But it's not your real expensive wheel.
No.
What's the major difference?
One's got a lot more power and range. This one has less power and range, but it's much snappier, like at low speeds. It's just very responsive. So do you remember that I actually learned how to go backwards when I had my hernia surgery?
No.
So I never could do it. I tried for years, and I was real pissed off that I had to take vacation time to go in for surgery. So I ended up just taking that time to learn how to go backwards when I was in recovery.
I'm sure that accelerated your recovery.
Which the doctor didn't quite agree with.
Yeah.
But that's because he's a smart man.
It was a deer.
Do you know they moved?
What?
They moved.
Who did?
Crystal and Ayad.
No.
They live in Vancouver still. But they live in a big fancy high-rise building.
Right. Why'd they move?
Because they just wanted to be right in downtown. All right, I'm just going to go do a quick lap and we'll head back.
You what?
I'm going to do a lap and we'll head back. You can start. I'll be right there. Swam in this pond a good many times.
So why did you land it?
The battery was done.
Had to put a new one in?
Never leave home without a spare.
How'd you know that?
What do you mean?
That the battery was done?
Because I could tell on my phone. I was at 17%. So the other cool thing, you know how like when you're using your GPS that you see where you are on the road, it's like I'm turning onto Clinton Street or whatever, right?
No.
Yeah. Well, when I make these videos, they'll have a little tile in the corner and you'll be able to see exactly how fast I was going at what street intersection.
Do you think you could sync the GPS on my phone to the van?
I think I hate Android. But I could give it a shot.
Huh?
I could give it a shot.
I had it working once and now it doesn't do it anymore.
Okay.
Another
what?
Question.
Slow down.
When say I called
Slow
you.
down. Dad, I'm going backwards. Slow down. Okay, go ahead.
Let's say I called you.
Yeah.
You're the last person I called on the phone. Get in the van and drive to Auburn. And on the outskirts of Auburn, the phone will call you.
Okay.
It calls the last person I called.
Okay. For no reason?
For no reason.
I couldn't tell you what that's about. I guess we could ask Claude.
Okay. Well, let's do
It's
that.
not for no reasons. You're doing something to trigger it. You just don't realize it.
No, the van's doing something to trigger it.
Oh, okay.
I'm not touching the phone or anything.
So do you want to do some like weaving with me?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I've been wanting to do it since I left the house.
How many bars you at?
Huh?
Battery.
Greens are all gone. It's in the orange.
Oh my goodness. We're in uncharted territory. We're in the great unknown right now.